And welcome back to Natural Language Processing Academy by Seminas. As you might be familiar, understanding natural language is a very hard and complex task, and despite the recent advances in technology, it's not still easy to build systems around natural language processing. That's why we need to be able to understand the latest trends and the latest research challenges in current situation. So let's start with the latest 5 trends of the future NLP systems. The first one is the intentless AI assistant. So we see more and more smart and intelligent AI assistants that trying to help us through conversations in our daily life. Secondly, we see more and more smarter service desk responses. So these are automating the regular tasks by understanding the natural language. Thirdly, we see a lot of improvements in enterprise search. Fourthly, enterprise experimenting in natural language generation from narratives over data set is also another trend. And finally, we see voice technology which controls the brand's immersive presence in voice-driven navigation assistance. So these are all coming soon into our life, and I'm going to share with you in the next videos the details. Thank you for listening for now, and have fun.